Hilo's such a rainy old town. I listen to the rain come down. Don't it fall so free? Take a walk in the rain and let the rain wash away your pain. You can start all over with me. Went to a party on Big Island. Everyone was having fun and styling. The band began grooving. All the people got up and started moving. But soon the clouds rolled in and it began to rain. They were dancing, dancing in the Hilo rain. Dancing, dancing in the Hilo rain. I met a wahine, she looked so fine. She had an island smile, you know the kind. So I waited for my chance. That's when I asked if she'd like to dance. She took me by the hand and it began to rain. Dancing, dancing in the Hilo rain. Dancing, dancing in the Hilo rain. And she said, do you know a place to go to see the stars in the sky? Just a little hideaway, together you and I. And we might spend the night if you're not too shy. Hilo rain and night. No, 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 no. Dancing in the Hilo rain. Yeah, dancing, dancing in the Hilo rain. Dancing, dancing in the Hilo rain.
Hey, dance, move your body in a slow motion. Come again, feel the vibration. We grooving all the way till the rain one fall. Feet to the bump, and you become a baba. Me rocking so you can't stop the road. Whosoever crews come straight from the ball. The K to the A to the B to the E to the N to the A. One chippy and that's all. This is your invitation.
Dancing, dancing in the Hilo rain. Dancing.